All right, traders, I'm back. I'm back. Back to back uploads. Another dub. This one I'm happy with. Held the full TP after my rant yesterday, talking about how I need to just be stronger with holding my positions. Glad I did today. No thought of taking partials. I mean, that's a lie. I thought about it, but I didn't do it, and that's the most important thing. Um, Not a huge move, but 1.45 RR when you set your lot sizes correctly, bro, you're still making 1%, 1.45%, right? Um, so let's break it down on GBP as well. Obviously, my favorite pair. Let's break it down here. We have been trading in these internal ranges of liquidity for like weeks, bro. So the big moves are few and far between. Okay, we have previous day highs up here, previous day lows down here, previous day lows swept. So I was looking for some movement to the upside, specifically actually on Euro USD. That's what I wanted to trade on coming into the day actually, just because I saw that these London highs were untouched. After we swept out Asian lows, I was looking for a break of structure on the 15-minute chart, invalidation of this 15-minute fair value gap, and then a break of structure, and then hopefully chasing these London highs. Fortunately, we didn't get that, at least not yet. So I went back to my trusty GBP and then looked for something on there. Again, not a huge move, so I was primarily looking at the 5-minute and the 1-minute chart. I just didn't like sells today really at all. I just felt like the grabs of liquidity to the downside weren't great, so I was really just looking for longs. So if we go down to 5-minute here, let me turn off the indicator now. We were really just playing around. This is a 15-minute gap. Failure to invalidate, failure to invalidate. We were respecting the gap for a while. The reason that I took longs is because I noticed we are making higher lows here, higher highs. And then when we came out and took these 5-minute lows out, um, and then we had this nice clean up close candle, barely top, but just nice full candle, scaled down to the 1-minute, and saw created this juicy 1-minute fair value gap here. So classic, liquidity sweep, 1-minute lows get swept, break of structure to the upside, fair value gap retracement. Once we trade outside of that 1-minute fair value gap, I'm looking to enter long. So entered right off of the open of this candle here, and pretty much barbecue chicken from there. I mean, I set my TP, the middle of this 15-minute gap. Could have had it obviously at the top of it, but to me, the 50% is just a way safer take profit area. You want to get that low hanging fruit, especially when you're trying to, build that momentum. If you have a few off days, you just want to get those 1-to-1s, 1-to-2s, whatever, build your confidence back up and then start rolling. I'd rather, win, like have a good win and miss out on more than like lose because I was chasing too much. You know what I mean? But if you wanted to take these to here, like the top of this 15-minute, sure. I mean, there's 15-minute highs here too that will probably take out as well. But like I said, the way that my month has been going, man, I just wanted to get some wins under my belt, and I mean, I'm still happy with it. And yeah, I mean, not much to say about the trade. Pretty simple. Like I said, we had a 5-minute sweep, break a structure, scale down into the 1-minute fair value gap, retrace, boom. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple. When you make it complicated, that's when it gets hard. And that's what I'm trying to tell myself. That's what I'm trying to teach myself. But yeah, I mean that's pretty much it for the trade recap. Um, we'll see how the rest of the week goes. In terms of news, we didn't really have much yesterday or today. I mean, Trump is speaking tonight. I don't trade PM session or Asian session or London session, anything like that. So it doesn't really affect me. We'll see how it moves the market if it does at all. Tomorrow, no news. Thursday, do have unemployment claims, so this could cause some volatility. And then Friday, core PPI, and then PPI month to month. So Thursday, Friday look like some possibly some high volatility days. Um, 8:30 news for me is the best because the move happens, before I trade, and then that way the news doesn't affect my position too much. Um, at least that's what I've seen so far. Like when you have 10 a.m. news, you have to wait, or at least I like to wait 15, 30 minutes till after the news comes out so that the market can kind of decide what it wants to do based off of the high impact news. So I like 8:30 news. So we'll see how the rest of the week goes. I'll keep you guys posted. See you in the next one. Peace.